If your pressure washer is leaking water, here are the two most probable causes. If the compressed air is not purged from the pump before operation, it can damage the check valves, plungers, and unloader, causing the pump to malfunction and leak water. You will need to replace the pump or its various components to solve the problem. Be aware that some pumps are sold as a complete assembly, while others allow the check valves, O-rings, and plungers to be replaced separately. If the pressure washer is left running for an extended period of time without activating the trigger, the thermal release valve will open and discharge the heated water so cooler water can enter the pump. However, if the release valve is continuously emitting water, it is likely defective and will need to be replaced. All of the parts shown in this video are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your pressure washer or the pressure washer's engine to find the specific replacement part that will fix your problem.